Today for F6, we are going to go through the topic on treatment of unabsorbed items. So first of all, let's consider what are the items that will be considered as unabsorbed. There are basically three items involved. First item will be your capital allowances, second item will be your adjusted loss, and the third item will be your approved donations. Before we consider all these three items to be unabsorbed, let us just first of all over here explore what are the tax treatment involved pertaining to the three items. For adjusted loss as well as capital allowances, the first two items, the treatment would be where a taxpayer claims capital allowances as well as where the taxpayer has unadjusted loss. We say these two items will first be set off against the trade income followed by your other income. However, for approved donation, it will be a little bit different. For approved donation, we say taxpayer will be using their approved donation and set off against their SI, which is basically statutory income. Then, after understanding the tax treatment for the three items, next is to explore how would I know when would the three items be considered unabsorbed. In a situation where we say our SI is actually lower than the total of our capital allowances, our losses as well as our donation, that is where we say there will be unabsorbed items. So, if I'm the taxpayer and I realize I have unabsorbed items, what are the options available to me? So we say in taxation there are three options available. First option will be your group relief, second option will be your carry back, and the third option will be your carry forward. Let us just explore a little bit more on group relief. For group relief, it will be a situation where we have one company called the transferor company, and the transferor company is the company with your unabsorbed items, and at the same time we have another company called the claimant company. The claimant company is the company with accessible income. So when we say the transferor company and the claimant company would like to go for group relief, it simply means that the transferor company is going to transfer the unabsorbed items over to the claimant company to set off against the claimant company AI. Then next, let's consider how much will be available for transfer. So in a situation where we say the transferor has unabsorbed items of 100,000 and the claimant company has accessible income of 80,000, the amount of transfer would be 80,000. Alright, this simply means that the total of transfer will always be the lower of transferor unabsorbed items or the claimant's company AI.